In the 21st century, probably the most important technological revolution we need is a better battery.
The future of battery technology just took a massive leap forward. A revolutionary new power source, our sodium blade battery, is rewriting the rules, leaving traditional lithium-ion batteries in the dust. Imagine charging your device or even your electric vehicle in just 7 minutes. This breakthrough isn't just faster, it's cheaper, safer, and more sustainable. Industry leaders are scrambling to catch up, but could this be the game changer that makes lithium obsolete? What makes it so powerful? Let's break down how this cutting-edge battery is about to shake up the entire energy world.
In this country, over 2/3 of the energy consumption are used for transportation and generating electricity for the electricity grid.
The game changer in the EV market, BYD's Seagull EV. In the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, EVs, where luxury and high-tech performance often come with a hefty price tag, one automaker is shaking up the industry with a radically different approach: affordability. BYD, a Chinese automaker that has rapidly climbed the ranks to become a global EV powerhouse, has redefined what it means to drive an electric car. While brands like Tesla and Mercedes have long dominated the premium EV segment, BYD has taken a bold stance, making high-quality electric vehicles accessible to the masses. And with their latest offering, the Seagull EV Honor Edition, they may have just pulled off their biggest move yet. At a jaw-dropping starting price of just $11,000, the Seagull EV is not just another compact electric car, it's a financial disruptor poised to redefine the entire industry. It represents an aggressive push to challenge traditional gasoline-powered cars by making EVs not just an environmentally conscious choice, but an economically compelling one. For the first time, drivers who previously hesitated due to high costs now have a real reason to switch. And this isn't just about affordability. The Seagull EV brings more than just a low price tag to the table. One of the major contributors to the success of EVs, and the Seagull in particular, is the high-performance battery technology it utilizes. The Seagull EV comes with 2 battery pack options, a 30.8 kWe and a 38.88 kWe blade battery, allowing for an impressive range of up to 252 miles on a single charge. This is a game changer, offering long-distance driving capabilities at an entry-level price point. And when it comes to recharging, the Seagull keeps up with industry giants, featuring fast-charging technology that boosts the battery from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes. But affordability and efficiency are only part of the story. BYD has also prioritized design and practicality, ensuring that the Seagull isn't just another budget car, it's an EV that delivers both style and substance. This compact hatchback was designed under the guidance of Wolfgang Egger, a former Lamborghini designer, giving it a level of sophistication unexpected in an entry-level EV. Sleek LED headlights, smooth curves, and a modern aerodynamic profile give the Seagull a clean yet striking presence on the road. It may not scream for attention, but its understated design is precisely what makes it so appealing. Step inside and the surprises continue. The Seagull's cabin, while minimalist, does not compromise on modern technology. A 10.1-inch rotating infotainment screen takes center stage, powered by BYD's advanced DINC intelligent network system. This allows for seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment at the driver's fingertips. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 4 adults while maintaining practicality with ample trunk space for daily errands. Measuring just 3,780 mm in length, it's shorter than a Honda Fit, making it an ideal choice for urban environments where maneuverability and efficiency matter most. The Seagull EV is not just a car, it's a wake-up call to the entire auto industry. With its affordability, impressive specs, and disruptive presence in the market, it is forcing major automakers to rethink their pricing strategies. Investors have taken notice as BYD continues to gain ground globally, directly challenging Tesla's dominance in key markets. But how did BYD achieve what was once thought impossible, creating an affordable EV without sacrificing performance, design, or technology? Stay with us as we unveil how BYD's blade battery technology is revolutionizing the industry. The blade battery, a new era of safety and performance. For years, critics have raised concerns about BYD's electric vehicles, claiming that their batteries were prone to catching fire and even exploding. While such issues may have been a reality in the early days of EV development, BYD took these concerns seriously. The company doubled down on innovation, investing years of research and engineering to create something that would silence the skeptics once and for all. Enter the Blade battery, an extraordinary leap in battery technology, designed not just to address safety concerns, but to completely redefine industry standards. At an online launch event titled "The Blade Battery Unsheathed to Safeguard the World," BYD's chairman and president, Wang Chuanfu, stood firm against the swirling rumors and misconceptions. He didn't just dismiss the criticisms, he presented irrefutable proof that BYD had built one of the safest, most durable batteries the world has ever seen. According to Wang, the Blade battery was developed from the ground up with safety as its #1 priority. But it didn't stop there. This cutting-edge battery also boasts significant improvements in efficiency, power consumption, and overall vehicle performance. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, which have been known to overheat and pose fire risks, the Blade battery is engineered to withstand extreme conditions while maintaining stability. To put its resilience to the test, BYD subjected the battery to one of the most rigorous safety assessments in the industry, the nail penetration test. This test, widely recognized as the gold standard for battery safety, involves puncturing the battery with a metal spike to simulate internal short circuits, one of the most dangerous failure scenarios for lithium batteries. The results were nothing short of groundbreaking. When the Blade battery was punctured, it did not emit smoke or catch fire. Even more impressively, its surface temperature remained between 30 to 60 degrees Celsius, a stark contrast to a traditional ternary lithium battery, which soared past 500 degrees Celsius and erupted into flames. Another competitor, the lithium iron phosphate LFP battery, avoided visible fire but still reached dangerous temperatures between 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. The Blade battery, however, remained remarkably cool, proving itself to be a far superior option in terms of safety. But BYD wasn't content with just one test. They pushed the Blade battery through a gauntlet of extreme conditions, each more grueling than the last. The battery was crushed, bent, and subjected to excessive stress, yet it refused to fail. It was placed in a furnace and heated to a blistering 300 degrees Celsius, and even then, it didn't ignite. Perhaps most astonishingly, the battery was overcharged by a staggering 260%, yet no explosion occurred. In every single test, the Blade battery emerged unscathed, proving that EVs equipped with this technology would be far less susceptible to fire hazards, even in cases of severe accidents or mechanical failures. With safety concerns firmly put to rest, the Blade battery is now setting new benchmarks for efficiency and performance. BYD claims that vehicles using this revolutionary battery will experience reduced power consumption per 100 kilometers, 62 miles, leading to longer driving ranges and enhanced overall vehicle longevity. Hard data back these claims, and with the Blade battery's unmatched safety profile, it's clear that the future of EVs is being reshaped before our eyes. But just when you thought battery technology couldn't get any more advanced, BYD has unveiled yet another game changer, the sodium Blade battery. Could this be the next big leap in the evolution of electric vehicles? Stay tuned as we unravel the full details of this revolutionary innovation. BYD's sodium Blade battery will charge in 7 minutes, a game changer in EV technology. Why sodium? That's the big question. For years, lithium-ion batteries have been the backbone of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to electric vehicles. But they come with major drawbacks. They're expensive, rely on scarce and environmentally harmful materials, and pose safety risks due to overheating. Sodium, on the other hand, is abundant, much cheaper, and highly stable. The challenge? Sodium-based batteries historically couldn't match the power and efficiency of lithium-ion. But that's where BYD's groundbreaking sodium Blade battery changes the game. This isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution. BYD, already a leader in EV technology, has redefined what's possible by integrating cutting-edge engineering with sodium-ion chemistry. Unlike traditional lithium batteries that depend on costly materials like cobalt and nickel, this innovative battery relies on sodium, which is widely available and cost-effective. The real breakthrough, however, lies in its design. The Blade structure maximizes energy density, minimizes overheating risks, and allows for exceptionally fast charging. But the real showstopper? It's ultra-fast ion transfer, which enables a full charge from 0% to 100% in just 7 minutes, a speed that rewrites the rulebook for EV batteries. Safety has always been a major concern with batteries, especially in electric vehicles. BYD has rigorously tested its sodium Blade battery, proving that it can withstand punctures, extreme pressure, and high temperatures without catching fire. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete shift in the way we think about battery safety. Imagine a future where range anxiety disappears entirely. With the sodium blade battery, recharging an EV takes the same amount of time as refueling a gasoline car. No more long waits at charging stations. Just plug in, grab a coffee, and you're ready to go. Cost is another major factor. Lithium-ion batteries drive up the price of EVs due to their reliance on rare earth metals. But BYD's sodium-based technology slashes production costs, and those savings translate directly to the consumer. More affordable EVs mean wider adoption, bringing us closer to a sustainable transportation future. And when it comes to extreme weather performance, this battery excels. Whether in freezing cold or scorching heat, it maintains optimal efficiency, making it the ideal solution for all climates. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect is how this development shakes up the competition. Tesla, for instance, heavily relies on lithium-ion technology and premium materials, making its EVs more expensive to produce. Meanwhile, BYD's vertically integrated approach, manufacturing its own batteries, vehicles, and even software, gives it a competitive edge with lower costs, higher profit margins, and the ability to scale production globally. The numbers speak for themselves. BYD has already surpassed Tesla in EV sales in key markets, and the sodium blade battery is poised to widen that gap even further. The question now is, how long can Tesla and other automakers keep up? Beyond performance and cost, the environmental impact of this innovation is enormous. Mining lithium is resource-intensive, damages ecosystems, and generates significant carbon emissions. Sodium, however, is easily extractable, far more abundant, and has a much lower environmental footprint. Manufacturing sodium-ion batteries produces fewer emissions, making them a sustainable alternative that could drastically reduce the ecological impact of the EV industry. If this technology becomes the new industry standard, it has the potential to reshape not just electric vehicles, but the entire energy landscape. So what's next? With BYD leading the charge, the sodium blade battery could signal the dawn of a new era in electric transportation. Legacy automakers will need to adapt quickly or risk being left behind. For consumers, this means more affordable EVs that charge faster and are more eco-friendly, arriving sooner than expected. The EV industry is no longer just about who can build the most powerful car. It's about making sustainable technology accessible to everyone. Right now, BYD is miles ahead of the competition, and its sodium blade battery isn't just another battery, it's a revolution. BYD's Seagull EV and the power of sodium blade battery. The future of electric vehicles is about to take a massive leap forward with BYD's latest innovation, the sodium blade battery. The company has announced plans to fully integrate this groundbreaking battery into the newer models of its EVs, and the impact could be revolutionary. Take, for example, the BYD Seagull, an affordable yet highly efficient compact EV. While its small size may suggest otherwise, this vehicle is built on BYD's cutting-edge engineering expertise, which has been refined over years of producing electric buses, trucks, and passenger cars. At the heart of its success lies BYD's Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate LFP battery that has already transformed the EV industry with its affordability, safety, and efficiency. But the upcoming shift to the sodium blade battery is set to push these benefits even further. The sodium blade battery will be a game changer in the EV market, particularly for cost-conscious buyers. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which rely on expensive and increasingly scarce materials, sodium-ion technology is built on more abundant elements, making it significantly cheaper to produce. This means BYD can lower EV prices even further, making electric vehicles more accessible to a wider audience without compromising performance. Safety is another crucial advantage. One of the biggest concerns with lithium-ion batteries is the risk of overheating or even catching fire under extreme conditions. The blade battery already mitigated these risks, but the sodium blade battery takes it a step further. It is even more resistant to thermal runaway, meaning it can withstand extreme abuse, including punctures and crushing, without igniting or exploding. This makes the Seagull not just an affordable option, but one of the safest EVs on the road. Efficiency remains a key priority, and the integration of the sodium blade battery ensures that the Seagull stays at the forefront of energy optimization. As earlier mentioned, the current blade battery powers two Seagull variants, one with a 30.8 kWh pack that offers 191 miles of range, and another with a 38.88 kWh pack providing up to 252 miles on a single charge. Both versions support fast charging, meaning a quick 30-minute session can restore most of the battery capacity. With the sodium blade battery, efficiency is expected to improve even further, allowing for better energy consumption rates and longer battery life. Beyond performance, the sodium blade battery represents a crucial step towards sustainability. The production of sodium-ion batteries has a much lower environmental impact than lithium-based alternatives, reducing dependence on limited resources while still delivering excellent power output. This aligns with the global push for greener transportation solutions and cements BYD's role as a leader in sustainable innovation. As BYD prepares to roll out the sodium blade battery in its future EV models, the Seagull stands as a prime example of how affordable electric vehicles can be both efficient and revolutionary. The auto industry is watching closely, and with this breakthrough in battery technology, BYD is not just competing, it's redefining the game. Revolutionizing affordable EVs. Efficiency in an electric vehicle isn't just about range, it's about cost savings, sustainability, and practicality. The BYD Seagull is a prime example of this philosophy in action. It doesn't try to be a luxury sports car or a high-performance speed machine. Instead, it focuses on what matters most to everyday drivers: affordability, efficiency, and reliability. With a compact build and a lightweight structure, this EV is designed for real-world driving, making city commuting smoother and more energy efficient than ever. Powered by a single 75-horsepower motor, the Seagull delivers just the right amount of torque to navigate urban roads effortlessly. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in under 13 seconds. Here's where things get interesting. The blade battery isn't just safer and more affordable, it's also highly efficient. The Seagull consumes only 99.6 kWh per 100 kilometers, making it one of the most energy-efficient EVs on the market today. While its top speed of 81 miles per hour isn't designed for high-performance racing, it's more than enough for daily commutes and city driving. After all, how often does the average driver exceed that limit? The real game-changer, however, lies in its battery technology. The Seagull already benefits from BYD's blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate LFP powerhouse known for its safety, longevity, and cost-effectiveness. But with BYD actively developing sodium-ion technology, future models of the Seagull could become even more affordable while enhancing energy efficiency. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, sodium-ion technology relies on more readily available materials, reducing supply chain constraints and decreasing dependence on expensive lithium mining. The sodium blade battery isn't just cheaper, it's also safer. Overheating and combustion risks, common concerns with lithium-based batteries, are virtually eliminated. This means drivers can enjoy peace of mind knowing their vehicle is equipped with one of the safest energy storage systems available. Additionally, sodium-ion batteries maintain stable performance in extreme temperatures, making the Seagull a reliable choice in all climates. And then there's the price, a factor that truly sets the Seagull apart. At just $11,000, it undercuts nearly every other EV on the market, offering a practical and sustainable alternative to traditional gasoline cars. Compared to the Tesla Model 3 with $41,000 as the starting price, or even the budget-friendly Nissan Leaf at $28,000, the Seagull is proving that high-quality EVs don't have to come with a high price tag. With the upcoming sodium blade battery fully incorporated, the Seagull isn't just an affordable EV, it's a revolution in electric mobility, proving that cost, efficiency, and innovation can coexist without compromise. But here's the real question. How does BYD manage to slash production costs while still delivering high-quality, affordable EVs? Stick around, because what we're about to uncover might just change everything you thought you knew about BYD. The power of vertical integration in sodium blade battery. How is BYD managing to produce an electric vehicle at such an unbelievably low cost without cutting corners? The answer lies in its vertically integrated manufacturing approach. Unlike most automakers that rely on third-party suppliers for essential components, BYD controls nearly every aspect of production: batteries, electric motors, and software, all made in-house. This not only eliminates supplier markups, but also streamlines production, keeping costs low while maintaining quality. Automation further reduces labor expenses, and even the smallest design optimizations, such as a single windshield wiper instead of two, contribute to cost savings. Multiply these efficiencies across hundreds of thousands of units, and it becomes clear why BYD can afford to offer the Seagull at a price that reshapes the EV market. While Tesla dominates the premium segment, BYD's aggressive expansion into affordable EVs is shifting industry dynamics. With over 1.76 million EVs sold in 2024, BYD's rapid growth is outpacing competitors, putting pressure on companies like Tesla, Ford, and General Motors, which focus on higher margin models. If BYD brings the Seagull to North America or Europe, it could force legacy automakers to rethink their pricing strategies. But the real breakthrough lies in the upcoming integration of the sodium blade battery. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, sodium-ion technology uses more abundant materials, reducing production costs while enhancing energy efficiency. This innovation could eliminate supply chain constraints, further driving down EV prices and accelerating global adoption. A future where electric cars are truly accessible to everyone is no longer a distant dream. It's unfolding now, and BYD is leading the charge. But how do you think the industry could respond to this seismic shift brought about by BYD? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.